How can I troubleshoot my Xbox 360 internet connection issues?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to dive into an important topic for all Xbox 360 gamers out there: how to troubleshoot internet connection issues. Having trouble connecting to the internet can be a real downer, especially when you're ready to dive into some online gaming. But don't worry, we're here to help.
Is it your internet connection?
First things first, let's rule out any problems that might be happening with your overall internet connection. Try connecting another device to your Wi-Fi to see if it's working. If you're unable to connect on other devices as well, you might need to reset your modem or router. Turn them off, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn them back on. This often resolves the issue.
Is your Xbox 360 connecting to your network?
Now, let's see if your Xbox 360 is having trouble connecting to your network. On the console, go to Settings, System, Network Settings. Select your network and choose Test Xbox Live Connection. If there's an issue, the Xbox will provide an error message or code, which can help you identify the problem.
Have you checked Xbox Live service status?
Sometimes, the issue might not be on your end at all. Xbox Live itself might be experiencing service disruptions. You can check the status of the Xbox Live service on the Xbox Live Service Status webpage. If there's a known issue, it will be displayed there.
Have you tried restarting your Xbox 360?
If you're still having trouble, try restarting your Xbox 360. Simply turn off your console, wait a few minutes, and then turn it back on. This simple step can sometimes resolve connection issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot most common Xbox 360 internet connection issues. If you're still having trouble, you might need to contact Xbox support or your internet service provider for more assistance. Happy gaming and hope this guide has been helpful.